I posted 5 videos of products from my bathroom counter to a TikTok account, and within weeks, brands were emailing me asking to work with me. I had not pitched a single one of them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how you can have the same thing live by tonight. And here's the thing, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, but Julie, I've never worked with a brand. I have nothing to put in a portfolio. How am I supposed to show brands what I can do when I have done nothing yet? I had the exact same thought sitting at my kitchen table a few years ago, wondering if this whole UGC thing was even possible for someone like me. And I'm going to answer that question completely by the end of this video. But first, I need to tell you the one mistake that it makes most portfolios completely invisible to brands, and it has nothing to do with your experience level or your follower count. More on that in a minute. Now, let me start by completely redefining what a portfolio actually is, because I think the word portfolio is scaring women away before they even begin. When most of us hear portfolio, we picture something complicated, a professional website that costs money, months of real brand deals to fill, a fancy media kit with statistics and metrics, and then we think, I cannot do that. And we never start. So let me tell you what a portfolio actually is. It's a simple free Canva website with 3 to 5 videos in it that show brands how that you know how to tell a story on camera. That is it. It's not a PDF or a Google Doc, a clean, simple Canva website with a link that you can send to anyone in 30 seconds. Brands are not checking how pretty your portfolio looks. Trust me, they are checking one thing. Can this woman make that content that connects with my customer? And you can absolutely show them that before you have ever worked with a single brand. Now, here is something that is going to completely change how you think about building your portfolio. And this is the thing I wish somebody had told me on day one, because it would have saved me weeks of overthinking, if not longer. You do not need real brand deals to fill your portfolio. You need to make content as if you already have them. You pick a product you already own and love, your favorite moisturizer sitting on your bathroom counter, your morning supplements, your eye cream, your dry shampoo, whatever you genuinely reach for every single day, and you film a UGC style video for it. You pretend it's a real brand deal. You film it like it's a real brand deal. You edit like it's a real brand deal. And this is where it gets really interesting, you post it to a dedicated UGC TikTok account and you tag the brand. Now, stay with me because I'm about to tell you why posting your practice videos publicly instead of keeping them in a private folder is one of the smartest things you can do as a beginner. And it is the thing that makes your portfolio work in 2 directions at once. Don't go anywhere. Here's what happens when you post your practice UGC videos to a dedicated TikTok and tag the brand. First, your portfolio is no longer a static website with videos nobody has ever seen. It's a live, breathing TikTok profile showing real content performing on a real platform. Brands can see comments, they can see views, they can see real people engaging with your content. That social proof is something a private Canva link will never give you. Second, you are building your following at the same time as you are building your portfolio. Every practice video you post is doing double duty, portfolio and audience. 2 things at once. And third, and this one still surprises me, brands actually find those practice videos and they reach out. I have gotten paid work from brands who loved my practice videos, not my official pitched videos, my practice content, because they saw someone who genuinely loved their product creating content for it without ever being asked. That is the most powerful signal you can send to a brand. So do not keep your practice videos hidden. Post them, tag the brand, and watch what happens. And here's how I want you to think about the content you post on that dedicated TikTok. Frame it like this. I am in my delusional era making fake brand deals until brands start paying me for real. That framing is honest, it's funny, It's incredibly relatable and it stops the scroll every single time. Women our age are going to see that and think, wait, that is exactly what I want to do. And they're going to follow you. And as your following grows, brands start finding you through your bio email, which is the inbox strategy. And suddenly, your practice content has turned into paid deals. That is the system working exactly the way it's supposed to. Now, let me walk you through the UGC video styles you need to know because understanding these is what turns a random product video into something that actually looks like a professional content. The 6 styles brands are loving right now are talking head, you on camera, just like this, speaking directly to the viewer, holding or using the product, conversational and authentic. Then voiceover. You film yourself using the product, but your voice is recorded separately. It's great if you are still building camera confidence. Demo. You're showing the product in action, what it does, how it works, what results you see. Then there's tutorial or how to. Step-by-step instruction using the product. Very popular with skincare supplements and tech. Testimonial or review. Your honest, real opinion. What you love, what you noticed, what changed, and before and after, showing a transformational or result. Incredibly powerful for skincare and wellness brands. And the one style I would tell you to skip, unboxing. It had its moment, but honestly, it's overdone, it's boring, and brands are not asking for it the way they used to. Save your energy for content that actually converts. For your portfolio, you want at least 3 of these 6 styles represented. It shows brands you're versatile and you can adapt to different briefs. I would suggest starting with a talking head, a testimonial, and a before and after. Those 3 alone cover the most common types of briefs you're going to receive as a beginner. Now, here's the mistake I mentioned at the beginning, the one that makes most portfolios completely invisible to brands. It is simpler than you think. The most beginner portfolios have no intro video. And that one missing piece is costing women deals before a brand ever watches a single piece of their content. And here's why. When a brand manager opens your portfolio, the first thing they want to know is who are you? Not what you've made, who you are. Your age, your niche, your demographic, your personality. They're asking themselves in the first 30 seconds, does this woman represent our customer? And if there is no intro video, they have to guess. And brands do not like to guess. They move on. So before you put a single product video in your portfolio, you film a 30 to 60-second intro video. Something like, hi, I'm Julie. I'm 53 years old. I'm a Canadian mom and wife living in BC. I create authentic UGC content for wellness, beauty, and lifestyle brands targeting women over 40. I would love to bring your brand to life for the women who actually buy your products. So that's it. Your name, age, niche, demographic, why you are the right fit. Confident and warm. And that 30-second video is often the difference between a brand reading on and a brand clicking away. So let me give you your exact 1-day action plan because I do not want you finishing this video and thinking that was really helpful and then doing nothing. I want you to have your portfolio live by tonight. This morning, set up your dedicated UGC TikTok account, something clean and professional, like your name or your niche. Fill out your bio completely and put your professional business email in that bio right now, not later, now, because the inbox strategy starts the moment that email is visible. Then film your intro video, 30 to 60 seconds, who you are, your age, your niche, your demographic, warm, confident, natural. This afternoon, look around your bathroom and your house and pick 3 to 5 products you genuinely love. One skincare product, one wellness or supplement product, lifestyle or home product, something your pet, if you have one, loves. Brands absolutely love pet content. Film a UGC style video for each one using the styles I just taught you. Mix it up, a talking head, a testimonial, a before and after. Film vertical, 9:16 on your phone, natural light. Edit each one in CapCut. Captions, maybe some music. Keep it clean and simple. Post each one to your dedicated TikTok and tag the brand every single time. This evening, open up Canva. Search portfolio website or UGC portfolio website. Choose a clean, simple template. Add your intro video. Do that first, and then your 3 to 5 product videos. Add your contact email and add a short bio about who you are and who you create content for. Hit publish. Copy that link. That is your portfolio done. Now, here's something worth saying before I wrap up. Your portfolio is never finished. It's always evolving. As you land real brand deals, you swap out your practice videos for real ones. As you get better, your content gets better. The version you build today does not have to be perfect. It just has to exist. Because a simple, imperfect video that is live today is worth infinitely more than a perfect portfolio that is still in your head next month. The biggest mistake is not starting. The women making money in UGC are not the ones with the most polished portfolios. They're the ones who published something and kept going. If you want to go even deeper, the complete step-by-step guide to starting UGC from scratch as a Canadian woman over 40, go to my complete guide right here. Everything you need is in there. And grab my free guide in the description, how to get free products from brands even if you've never made a piece of content in your life. Your portfolio and your first free products work together, and that guide shows you exactly how to get both started this week. I'll see you in the next one.